Welcome back to another Excel tutorial. If you're looking for a clear way to display data you created in Excel, you're in the right place. Today we'll talk about data bars. Data bars are pre-made types of conditional formatting in Excel, used to add colored bars to cells in a range to indicate how large the cell values are compared to the other values. To display data bars, first you need to select the relevant data. You can choose any range for where the highlight cell rule should apply. It can be a few cells, a single column, a single row, or a combination of multiple cells, rows and columns. Click on the conditional formatting icon in the ribbon from the home menu. Conditional formatting contains multiple useful features for creating graphical data representation. Here, we'll go for the option of data bars. From this window, you can choose the color and type of the data bars. You can pick whether you want them gradient or solid. Both gradient fill and solid fill work the same way. Let's select the blue one.
Now look. April has the highest value 500, so the bar fills the entire cell. The other bars are scaled relative to the highest value and 0 by default. November has the lowest value, 100. So this is the shortest bar. October has a value of 0, so this becomes invisible. If you ever want to edit the data bars, click anywhere within the selected data range. Then go back to Conditional Formatting and go to Manage Rules. Now from this pop-up window, click on Edit Rule. Here you can see everything that we can change on the data bars. You can additionally change the color of the bars. I'll choose green and from gradient to solid. For the negative values in your table, click on the button Negative Value and Axis Settings. And you'll be able to set a color for negative values. You can pick any color you need. Now, click on OK and then OK again to confirm the changes. As you can see, our data bars turn from blue to green. If you change a value to a negative number and see what happens. The negative value is now represented by a red bar. Let's imagine you want to remove data bars from the sheet. What to do? Go to Conditional Formatting again, then select Clear Rules. Select Clear Rules from entire sheet and that's it. You've successfully removed all data bars from the table. If you want to place data bars in a separate column, in our case, next to the record column. First, we need to get the values from the record column to the next column. Click on the cell, type in the equal sign, and mark the source cell for the value. That should appear in the selected column. Now click and drag to copy the formula in all the cells. Now you know what to do next. Select the cells, go to Conditional Formatting, then Data Bars, and pick the color. If you want the data bars without the numbers, select the range, go to Conditional Formatting, then Manage Rules. Click on Edit Rule and select the option Show Bar Only. Then click OK to confirm and OK again. You have successfully made it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or if you want to know anything, feel free to ask in comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.